Hi everyone, here I am Nisha Gambhir from Nishan You channel and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm collaborating with Gambhir's physics classes on the occasion of them completing 25 years of wisdom and excellence. Of course, they deserve an applaud from us. So on this occasion, they've started up and launched an amazing, selfless and appreciable deed, I would say, which involves 4 online test patches for the NEET and JEE aspirants. And the amazing part about this is, which I would be highlighting a lot into the video, is that everything involved in those test batches is for free. I would definitely be telling you about all the features and everything that those test batches include. But for starters, I could definitely say कुछ भी जो आपके माइंड में आ रहा है कि a test batch should include this or that, it contains all of it. Why do I know about it? Because I've already read about it and experienced. I've already enrolled on their app that is available on App Store or Play Store. Earlier, we could not provide the link directly to it, but now that's an amazing opportunity for all of you. You can just go into the description box of this video and get onto the app. So even if you are an Android user or an iOS user, all you need to do is just go into the description box, click the link and enter the ORG code. ORG code would be available on the screen right now. Just enter that and you are on. All you have to do is just click the link. I mean, अगर ये भी नहीं कर सकते तो पता नहीं क्यों नीट और जेई के लिए अपीयर कर रहे हो. Just saying. And moving on with the features of the app and the tests that would be involving. They involve giving you the All India rank when you appear for the test. अपने normal institutes में आप लोग appear कर रहे होगे एक institute level पे, but with this you would be appearing on All India level. उससे आपको क्या पता चलेगा कि आपकी तैयारी कितनी हो चुकी है. मुझे पता है कुछ बच्चों को लग रहा होगा कि मुझे जानना ही नहीं है कि मेरी कितनी तैयारी हुई है, बिकॉज एक घबराहट होती है सच जानने में एंड ऑल दैट. बट बिलीव मी, दिस इज़ हाई टाइम व्हेन यू एक्चुअली अंडरस्टैंड कि आपकी कितनी तैयारी हो चुकी है और कितनी आपको आगे करनी चाहिए. So definitely you will be getting to know the top 10 people who stood up in the All India rank and उनके हिसाब से आपको पता चलेगा कि आप कहाँ स्टैंड कर रहे हो. हर संडे को इंस्टीट्यूट लेवल पर भी गंभीर्स वुड बी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टेस्ट्स फॉर यू ऑल. टेस्ट्स देने पसंद नहीं होते तो अब पसंद करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज of course it's high time. You all need to get on to that direction and सारा कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के you need to be just getting prepared for the tests that you would be appearing, be it NEET or be it JEE. Moving on with the other features that the test batches are providing you. You can choose what chapters, you can choose what tests that you want to appear for according to the batches that you would be choosing. Here would be on the screen available of physics, maths, +1, +2, whatsoever batch you want to choose, and just go ahead with it. You would also be getting occasional online classes, sometimes online numerical अभ्यास, क्योंकि आजकल के टाइम पे बच्चों को numerical से बहुत डर लगता है. मुझे भी अपने टाइम पे लगता था, but I was able to do it of course because of their help. Moving on to पता नहीं इस चीज़ का हाइप इतना ज़्यादा क्यों क्रिएटेड ऑफ वीडियोज़ एंड PDFs. लाइक सामने बंदा खड़ा होकर आपको पढ़ा रहा है, उनसे वो नहीं पढ़ना है, PDF से पढ़ना है. बट थैंकफुली दे आर प्रोवाइडिंग दोज एज वेल इन टू द टेस्ट बैचेस. सो अब ये सारा कुछ मिल रहा है तो हमें भी तो कुछ चाहिए रहेगा ना. बट एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड कि दिस इज ऑल इज फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज सब्सक्राइब टू देयर चैनल. द चैनल नेम इज गंभीर्स फिजिक्स क्लासेस. ऑलरेडी बता चुकी हूँ मैं. माई चैनल्स नेम इज निशन यू. अगर थोड़ा टाइम मिलता है तो मेरे चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. एंड only the top 100 lucky subscribers, top 100 lucky enrolling students would get the opportunity to get into the 4 online test batches that we had already talked about. So this was all the video about, and I hope I've provided enough information. If still you have any queries, you can just comment down below. Subscribe to their channel, like the video and share it with your friends. Maybe उनका कुछ फायदा हो जाए. So they'll see you in the next video and I'll maybe see you in the next collaboration or wheresoever. So take care. Bye bye. Good night.